Very nice.
Oh, thanks. I haven't met you. I'm Bob Welton.
Jeff Rediker, nice to meet you, Bob.
Are you the one who lives in Toledo?
I used to live in Toledo. I'm in Philly.
He's in Philly. The one that's coming up from Ohio is young number 3 son.
Oh,
Got number 1 son, number 3 son. Now we're wide, three sons.
A lot of your whips on the website? No, it's in person, different steam up. Yeah.
The cab forward sounds really good too. That's really neat.
There's enough room between the boiler and the shell to put the two things on.
That whistle is that long in one shot.
Oh, really?
Like that. I mean, it goes the whole firebox.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, the firebox.
Okay.
And then I had to split them, one on one side and one on the other.
I was thinking
Matter of fact, if you get to look at that whistle of his, you'll see what I'm talking about on that one cab forward.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, those my train house cars aren't all that bad.
That was the one in Boston area. Yeah. With the mild weathering.
Jason, I'm going to take you a picture.
What have I got coming? What do I have now?
Gotta put down the speed.